Here is how to use the hobs. First of all, you take the lighters. You will find the lighters in here. You take it and you can see the arrows here. So this one means it's the one up. This one means it's the one down here. Let's try with the one down. So you have to push on the button, turn it here on the spark, and then light it up here. You still push on the button for a few seconds. Then you can let it go and you turn left to have the flames. When you want to stop it and you are done cooking, you just push on it and come back here on the starting button. Up, back there, and then the flame is off. Make sure every time you use the hobs, you turn on the fan in here. Always maximum level. Otherwise, you will have the fire alarm going on. Okay.